Meaning of folk museum.
Folk museum.
Folk museum.
Folk museum.
Folk museum. A folk museum is a type of museum that focuses on the traditional way of life, culture and history of a particular region or country. It showcases items and artifacts that represent the cultural heritage of a group of people, such as clothing, tools, crafts, music, and art. Folk museums are also known for their interactive exhibits, offering visitors a chance to participate in activities, demonstrations and workshops related to the culture they are exploring. Visiting a folk museum is a great way to learn about the traditions and customs of a different place and time.